Welcome back to my car shop. Today, it's a road trip, an air cleaner base, and a 65 Corvette. What do those things have in common? Well, let's watch the show intro and you'll discover it just on the other side. See you in 30 seconds.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
Ah, yes. Early morning. Yuck. Coffee. Okay. Road trip. All right. Corvette. Sounds good. So we're actually on our way down to a town about an hour and a half away to fire up my buddy Mark's 65 Corvette and do a couple things there, and then take it to get it loaded on a semi to be delivered to him in an unknown destination where he is for work, so that he can have it with himself for the summer, which sounds good to me. So we'll do a little road trip here, and I'll give you a little more backstory, and I'm going to enjoy some coffee, and I got to get my Google Maps going because I have no idea at all where the heck I'm going. But I'm going, even though I don't know, because that's just how we roll. All right, let's have a good trip together. Rah! Trip is going good so far. I do live pretty far out in the sticks, so it takes a while to wiggle our way down to the freeway. So we're not right now. We're on the freeway between Saginaw, Michigan, and Flint, Michigan, and traffic's not bad this morning because it's after. It's actually about 8 o'clock. So surprisingly, I guess with the number of people working from home, traffic isn't as bad as it normally would be. Though I expect that when we get up here to Flint, it's going to get a little bit worse. But we got to wiggle our way down to Interstate 96 and south of Flint, and then head a little bit west over to where we're going. So we're about an hour more on the trip right now, so not bad. So far, so good. Not sucking down too much gas. All good. So this old Hemi doesn't have the 6-speed transmission behind it, so it doesn't do as good on gas as some other ones, but 400 horse, who cares? Gas is cheap. Well, that was interesting. I was bonsaiing down the freeway and looked back, and my tonneau cover was doing this. Never done that before. We had hauled a bunch of retaining wall landscaping stuff yesterday, so I don't know if I didn't get it latched right or what, but hopefully it never does that again. I put a ton of miles on this truck, and it's never happened before, so there you go, part of the adventure. Woohoo! Boy, that was really exciting. Aren't you so glad I shared? So we're just getting close to Flint, Michigan right now, and the only reason I'm popping up here is to say, if you get a chance to come to Flint, Michigan, check out the Sloan Museum. They have a pretty nice car collection. I haven't seen it in a lot of years, but I know they have a bunch more cars than are on display, and they rotate them in on a regular basis. So that's pretty cool. So check that out if you ever get to Flint, Michigan. So we're about 10 minutes out. I decided to take Michigan Road 59 rather than I-96 just to see a little bit of the country in this area, and it's been a while since I've been down here, so it'll take me a few extra minutes, but I got plenty of time. I don't need to meet the semi until 10 o'clock, so we'll be fine. So we'll just be putzing along here, and like I said, we're about 10 miles out, so give or take, good to go. So we're here with Mark's 65 Corvette, and this is going to be first start of the season. I got things around here, and I got here right away just to make sure I had the lay of the land. And like I said, he's not here, he's in the southern state. So we need to just make sure we got fuel to the carburetor. I did crank it a couple times just to see if we can get some fuel up there. But we'll check it out and see what we got going on here. Okay, we're getting some squirtage, so let's see what happens here. I'm going to put the lid back on. Just in case we have any backfire. It should fire. Let's see why it wouldn't. Yep, she's done it. So everything went well. It's running good. No fuel leaks or anything that I see. So we're going to get it buttoned up here. I need to run around and take care of a couple other things while I'm here for him to put in the car so it can be shipped. And then we'll head up to the meat place with the truck driver to be able to get it loaded up onto the trailer and so forth where it's heading south. Like I said, 65 Corvette. It's got a crate engine in it. I forget if it's a 350. No, this is a 383, and I think it's got a Tremec 5-speed in it. I drove this car a couple of years ago after we got the engine put in it, and it's been a while, but we'll talk more about it later. I'm probably not going to be able to get you to do a ride along because it is a stick, and I just don't see myself being able to drive and run the camera and all of that stuff. So anyway, that's where we're at. So I guess I am able to just putz along here and do a quick video for you. We decided we're meeting at the Tractor Supply, which is just over here. Hopefully I know where it is. I think we just take a left up here at this road and go right over there. So that's the plan, I hope. We'll see. It's all in a day of the life at my car shop, right? Just slumming it, driving this GM bow tie junk. What are you gonna do? You you just got to do what you got to do. So truck driver will be here soon, and I think everything's gonna be. This is a good location for him to load up. So I feel comfortable being here in this, and he said he's probably about 10 minutes out now. So we'll hopefully get some shots of this going in the trailer, and then I'll start hoofing it back to get to my truck. Well, that was fun. Got it all loaded up. On its way, as you saw. It's good. Talked to Mark. Everything's good on his end. It should arrive there probably sometime tomorrow, so that'll be awesome for him. And he'll have his car to enjoy for the summer while he's on that assignment down there. So I'm heading back home again. Got a bunch of phone calls I need to make, etc., etc. So I'm going to ponder a little bit here what I want to do to just kind of wrap this video up. I'm sure I'll have some exciting things to say that you're not going to want to miss, so don't go away. I'll be right back after a short message from our sponsor. Sponsor. Do we have a sponsor? I guess we do. Yes, we do. That's true. We do. So, buy super clean stuff. Wanted to talk real quick about just a couple of the things that are coming on the show that you're not going to want to miss. We've been making some motion towards getting the Forsyth Duster home, if I haven't mentioned that before. So we're really excited about that. Of course, we're going to be putting the frame rail in stitches. So I hate to see the frame rail series come to an end, but I think it's probably time to move on to something like a trunk floor or floor pans or lots of other things that need to be stitched back together on Stitches, our 70 Challenger project. More coming on the Oakland. We'll be ordering more parts for that this week. As soon as our Oakland guy gets home on Wednesday, we will order that oil pan to be able to finish putting that motor together and hopefully get that fired up. The wheels and the tires and tubes are coming for that project. are some parts coming for the 47 Ford because I want to have that car on the road this year. And yeah, so we're going to be getting some road time in besides in my 400 horsepower Hemi truck, which I absolutely love driving. Just a little side note, I don't know if you can see this or not, but do you remember what the weather was like when the video started this morning? It was sunshiny and very beautiful with the sun reflecting off of the windmills, and I'm just about home now, and it is friggin' snowing. You gotta love Michigan. And I know it's this way in other parts of the country as well, but, you know, snow is a 4-letter word. That's all I got to say about that. Wanted to share this Corvette episode with you today, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Hit the bell so you receive notifications. Hit like on the video, that helps us out a lot. It pushes us up in the algorithm. The more people that like a video, the more YouTube will recommend it for others to watch, and that's how we grow. We're on Instagram, /MyCarShop. We are on Facebook, /MyCarShop. Pinned to the top of our Facebook page is an opportunity for you to share pictures of the stuff you're working on. I want to see that. Look for the post. It's called Show Us Your Junk, and there's a picture of my 88 Power Ram there that's in process of being fixed up, restored, being a truck that I can drive again. Anyway, thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. There's 143 episodes more on the channel, so check those out. And one more thing, don't forget, rah!